Brentpark, gonna slap my mom in the face.
You just did an epic fail. You choose to watch a stupid knockoff.
Going down to Brentpark, gonna worry if I'm gonna get sued.
Look, we're singing original lyrics. You know what? It's about freaking time.
And I'm down to Brentpark, gonna rob my bank to pay for the fine. On down to Brentpark and help me pay my bills.
In last week's episode of Brentpark, a lot of shit happened. Yeah, lots of shit. Now I'm picking up exactly where we left off, okay? Holy tacos! I gotta get the fuck out of here! Oh shit! What the hell do you want from me? Whoa! What the f***? No, put me down! No!
No, I'm not going anywhere. Will you just come with me for one goddamn second?
Dude, calm down!
I am calm. You should see me when I get mad. Now little boy, come with me. Okay, geez, just calm down, dude.
Louie, have you seen Sebastian anywhere? No. The last time I saw him was when we took off. Oh no, what about Jake? I have absolutely no idea what happened to Jake.
It'll be fine. I mean, it's not like you have blood on your face. Oh wait, I do have blood on my face. Oh shit. I mean, oh crap, there's a no-no word. I mean, babies. Damn, I'm hungry. I could go for some toast right about now. Toasty the toast, man! Where are you?
Jeez, it's about time you put me down, you freaking piece of crap. Oh, shit.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
What happened to Quan?
No! I'm not talking about him! Now, let's talk about pine cones.
Fine, I'm out of here.
Whoa, where do you think you're going?
I'm gonna find Jake and Sebastian. If anybody else wants to join me, then follow. If anybody wants to listen to this douchebag talk about freaking pine cones, then stay. Got it? I'm going.
I'm going. I'm going.
Hell no, you're a dick!
I know I am, but my dad's a ranger too. I'm gonna call him so he can help us out.
Oh.
Next time, let me finish what I have to say, asshole.
Man, where's Jake? Over there!
Are you cool? Are you cool? Where's my daddy? I need him to protect me from the nosy guy. The nosy guy.
Oh, Jake!
Toasty, is that you?
Yepers, I'm here.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god.
Yep, I'm back to fulfill your wishes with...
Oh my god.
Jake?
What?
What, Jake? Well, I don't mean to interrupt your meal, but you're eating a branch.
No, you said Tyler. I'm eating a... What the f***?
Come with us.
Are you cool?
Yes, we're cool. If that makes any sense.
Okay, guys, please. What are you going to do to me? Wait a minute, why are you looking at me like that? Oh my god, you're gonna eat me? That! Ha!
Major McFree! I found Jake! We need to put him in an insane asylum!
What? Oh.
What the hell?
I hate these fucking woods. My wife is lost in these woods.
Oh. You never found her?
No! 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 I did not find her!
Oh, well, I'm sorry for that, but Jake needs help here.
Would you like to see her?
See what?
A picture of her?
Oh, sure, whatever.
Here. We got married last month.
Dude, there's a fucking bear in this picture.
I know. My wife's a bear.
What?
That picture is even weirder than me.
Guys! Sebastian, where were you? I was being chased by huge bears.
My wife! My mommy!
No, Jake, step out. Guys, let's get the fuck out of here.
My wife told me she's hungry. These are her friends. They all need to feed. Sorry, boys.
Let the games begin.
Oh, KFC is a true delicious.